One of the most important news of today, it's Silicon Valley Bank, that it was shut down by US banking regulators. And of course, you can ask yourself, can ChatGPT be used to learn about the situation, right? Can we use ChatGPT for the current events? And of course, in general, the answer is no. We cannot use it for current events because, as they put it here on the main page, there is limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Of course, you can still use it to learn about, for example, the history of SVB, the history, Silicon Bank. And just after a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate the answer about how it was created, why it was created. You can also ask about the largest banking failures in the United States. What are the largest bank failures in the US? And you get the answers. So here it's Washington Mutual, the largest bank failure, and the second one is IndyMac Bank. But if you ask directly, can SVB Bank go bankrupt, you will get like this non-response in the sense that it's a subject to oversight by regulator agencies. And so here they claim that SVB has a strong reputation for managing risk and maintaining conservative approach to lending, right? So, but of course it's all the data from 2021. So the big question here, can you improve on these search results, right, given what we have seen in the news? And of course the answer is yes. What we can do, we can use an extension which is called WebChatGPT, which will allow you to use web search in ChatGPT with internet access. And of course here, what we can do, we can ask directly, can SV Bank go bankrupt? And after just a few seconds, WebChatGPT will check the most recent results, the most popular results. So they have a special way of formulating requests, like they have found 3 most relevant results related to this potential failure in the news, which we saw, and notice that it's a current March 10th of 2023. And of course, here we have more specific information, right, that indeed it has suffered significant financial losses and facing a regulatory action. And of course, there is more, because you can check what is the current amount of assets held by SVB Bank. And again, you can ask it in this ChatGPT plus WebChatGPT free extension, which is available for Chrome. So what is the current amount of assets held by SVB Bank? And once again, WebChatGPT checked 3 of the most recent results. And this information will not be available in your regular ChatGPT without WebChatGPT extension, because again, the information is limited by 2021. So overall, I think it's a fantastic opportunity, right, to use this WebChatGPT extension, because you can also find the different number of results. You can limit it by region or any time, and of course, you can enhance your knowledge generation of ChatGPT with this extension. Thank you and stay tuned.